With the brand new update 15.2, we finally receive an image generator for our Apple Intelligence. So after you update your system, simply head to the Launchpad where you can see all of your apps. You will see a brand new app at the end of the list, Image Playground. That's app by Apple that will use Apple AI to make images. Let's turn it on. You will need to set it up. As you can see, it's setting up now, so it's not ready to use straight away. They recommend us to stay connected to Wi-Fi. So I'm going to wait for a notification that the program is ready to roll. And after a few minutes, I get a notification that the program is ready to use. Keep in mind, this setup is only when you're using this for the very first time. Alright, and now we are ready to generate images. Like with any other AI generator, you will need to describe the image you need, and more detailed description, the better result you will get. And remember, you don't need to settle down with the very first option they show you. You can keep changing description and choosing whatever you like. So I have prepared one description already, so let's try it out. I have asked for a landscape showing a lake and sailboat, and now I'm simply going to hit enter. And I can see my prompt kind of floating around, and I got the first version of the image. I can choose the style. We got two right now, animation or illustration. So animation is more kind of realistic and illustration is more like flat. Let's stick with this one. They give us several suggestions, alright? So not just one, but several, and it's currently way faster than some of those cloud versions. And as you may notice, while scrolling right, they're generating new versions on the fly. So I don't need to click generate again after I see 4 options and wait. No, they keep doing that all the time. But as you may notice, they're rather similar. So you need to make more descriptive prompts if you want different results. So I just type nighttime, and now those 2 prompts are floating around this image. So the computer is using both of them to generate this image, and as you can see, we got the classic problem with AI generated images. I got 2 moons right now, so we are not on the planet Earth. Let's continue scrolling. Alright, this one is a bit more natural. We got stars, 1 moon. Okay, that's better. So as I mentioned, don't just take the first version. You can keep adding prompts until you are happy. If you like this image, click those 3 dots here where you got some options. You can copy, share, save image, and if you feel like it's terrible, you can also report to Apple to give them more feedback on this new feature. Alright, so let's save it. Now the image is saved and I can click done. Alright, so we are done playing with this image. I can still share it from here. I can still edit that. We can go all the way here. When we see those floating prompts around, I can delete this one, nighttime, and we are back to the daytime. All right, so it's still kind of editable, so that's cool stuff. You can save this image because now we got a new version, or we can save a duplicate of it if you don't want to ruin the previous one I already saved, or just simply cancel. Alright, so that's how you generate an image using the image playground from the prompt, from your own text, from your description. The cool feature is we can actually drag in the existing image here. So if I drag in my image showing the cow on the field here, they generate some kind of emoji version, illustrated version of that cow. So that's really cool. And now I can keep going with the prompts. I want 2 cows, not just 1. Alright, now I got 3, I guess. I will keep scrolling until I'm happy. Alright, I got another cow in the backdrop, so that's exactly what I want. Here, 2 cows. So I start with dragging in a real picture of the cow, and then I add the prompt to tell the program I need additional cow in the image, and finally, in the 4th iteration of it, I got what I need, and now I'm ready to save it, and done. Alright, so that's a brand new feature called Image Playground. It's kind of extension of our Apple Intelligence. To use it, you need to update your system to version 15.2 and you will find it as a new app in your Launchpad over here. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next one.